let's play with my new bag with accessories and see what all fits in the beautiful denim Laurel shoulder bag. Stay tuned. Hello, my name is Andrea. Welcome back to my channel, and thank you for joining me in the Babe Cave table. Today is all about playing with my Laurel bag, and I have made some changes since I even posted a picture with my rainbow chain. I decided to put on my sparkly Tom Wesselman bag charm, just so you could see what it looks like, something different. And I also removed the cherry from the hang tag. It just comes off of here. And I have these rings for charms on straps usually, but I just grabbed my ring, and this cherry had a hole the right size. So now I have a cherry zipper pull. So just some fun ideas that I've been playing with my bag. I know y'all do it. Admit it. You play with your new bags. Today, I have the shoulder strap on. You know, this one also comes, to me, this is a crossbody strap. I mean, you can make it a shorter shoulder, I guess, if you want, but it's a comfy crossbody. I have packed up this bag with way too much stuff, just so you know how much you can fill this bag. And this is the smaller size. I can only imagine how much you can fit in the big size. So I'm just representing what you could put in here, but I wouldn't suggest it because it's rather heavy. So let's open this up. I mean, do you guys think this was a good idea? I thought it was a good idea. A little zipper pull. And this chain right here is from Next Fashion, and I thought that looks really good with the denim. So I changed everything up. And this is what I have inside. Like I said, I would never pack it this full. Never. I just don't carry this much stuff, but I wanted you to know what could fit in the bag. For instance, my Coach notebook. This fits inside the bag, and it does zip, as you saw. I have my sunglasses on top in a soft case. I have my fan, because, you know, us older chicks get flashes, and this is real handy. And it's from Amazon. It's awesome. I have this mace on the side, because I always carry something with me. I have a mirror and pouch. This represents my phone fit in, since it doesn't have a back pocket. I even put wipes inside. And I even put the small boxy case from Coach. This fits in there. I'm still going. And of course, I put my Nolita 15 in. This is the chambray print. I'll get into more of comparisons of all of the denims I have in the next video when I get my other two items, but this would be what I would use, and it is the same treatment of Vachetta leather that they used for the new bags. So I would of course use my denim Nolita 15, and for the wallet, I grabbed my Walmart distress looking wallet that I got last year or the year before, and it's cute with it. It's not Coach, but I don't care, it's inside my bag. And I have hand sanitizer in the button pocket, a pack of gum in the button pocket, and I believe that's it. And I don't put anything in the zipper pocket except for my receipt of the bag and the tags. Always stay in the zipper pocket. So this is a big bag. And like I said, I would not fill this bag with all of this stuff, but I wanted you to see how much you really can fill this bag. I wanted to also show you what you could interchange for bag charm. I have the fluffy red poof ball that would look cute on it as well. And since we're near Valentine's Day, I have the love that looks really good with the gold chain. So yeah, I could put this on for Valentine's Day. And if I wanted to change out accessories, I would keep all of the stuff down here. Plus, I would put my cherries pouch in for my everyday essentials. And then I have a little heart pouch with coins in it. Thought that was cute. And then I have my Dooney and Burke wallet if I kind of wanted to go with different colors with the denim. So these all will work inside. If I want to use pink accessories inside the bag, I would use my glittery sea charm, and that would look really good as well. It's an outlet charm, so it matches the gold hardware pretty good. So you could use pink accessories, and I would pair my pink stuff with all of this. Plus, let's see if the boxy fits. I would use my small zip around Dooney and Burke wallet. I have my business cards. And just for fun, we're going to try this, but why not throw in my pink Nolita barrel bag? We're just trying. Because, like I said, this thing fits more than I thought. Or you could go with the Pink Lemonade Nolita 19. So we will try both options to see what fits. So this is the barrel inside of there, and I do have the boxy case. However, if I took out the business card and then put in my wallet, I could probably do it like that. I don't love a strap inside my purse very much, so that's kind of annoying. I like a detachable strap and not have it on the inside of my bag, so I don't know that I would put this barrel bag in there. Same thing with the Pink Lemonade. Now, that is a little slimmer and takes less room, so I could still fit my fan. This has got to be somewhere where I can get to it. Probably in the button compartment right there. And gotta have, if I want, I can throw in the business cards. Here's my phone. This is a Pro Max big size phone. And if we still put the sunglasses on top, yeah, this fits fine. Again, I don't think for me I would carry all of this. I don't carry this much stuff ever. But I'm just giving you some options, some pink options, some red options. You know, you saw what it looks like with this chain as well, the rainbow chain. It looks so good too. But I really like this next fashion chain with it. It's just really pretty. Anyway, you have options galore and lots of room for this bag. I would not probably put this in there. If I had the giant Laurel, I would consider putting this in here. But for me, I would not put the barrel in this bag. Just me. I do like the red accessories with it. Which do you like better, the pink accessories or the red? And I really like the lips because, well, it's kind of like my signature thing. So I'm probably going to, if I don't want to go all denim, I'm probably going to go with red. Because I really like the blue and the red together. So that's probably how I'm going to carry it. And I like how when you unzip it, the cherries on the other side are gold. So you could flip this around to where you saw the back part instead of the red part. So yeah, having fun playing with my new bag. Love it. Haven't been able to carry it. Just seeing what fits and what I want to do with it. But my daughter is currently sick. Where we live, like, the flu has run rampant, so I am so far okay, and my husband is a little not feeling that good, so pray for our family. Yeah, thank you for watching my playing with my purse and seeing what fits in this Laurel, because it fits a lot of stuff. Again, I don't put all of these, I put minimal stuff even in a big bag now. I just don't fill up a bag, because who wants all that extra weight if you're not even going to use half of it in there? So, anyway, I appreciate y'all for watching. If you don't mind, give me a thumbs up and comment down below. Do you vote red or do you vote pinks? I don't know. I'm leaning towards the red, as you can tell. So, hit the bell so you won't miss my future videos. Thank you all for subscribing to my channel. I really do appreciate all of you. And I love talking to you down in the comments. So I will see you there after this uploads, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.